Let's take a look at an overview of data editing in Excel. And I'm not going into a whole lot of depth here, so don't think it's going to be an in-depth tutorial on Excel, not in any form. To type in numbers, you just type in numbers, pressing enter after each one. If you did a tab, it'd go to the right. If you forgot a number, you can insert by clicking in that cell, and you do a do a right click and choose insert, and then you can shift cells down, right, whatever you want. I'll say down, and then you can put your missing number in there. If you typed a number in wrong, instead of 4, I need a 4.1. You click in that cell and you just type 4.1. Now, this cell here is referred to as A1 because it's at the intersection of column A, row 1. This one is at the intersection of column A, row 8, so this would be A8. That becomes handy in formulas. For example, if I had it equals let's try it again, average, beginning parentheses, I would put A1 colon A8. This refers to the range of your data. The A1 is our first cell, colon A8 is our last cell, and this particular function grabs everything in between. We'll be talking about that more, but that's where that cell referencing is used. And that's the basics of working with Excel for what we're going to be doing.